Can a smartphone be ultra thin and still pack powerful features like a 200 megapixels main camera? That's the question people are now asking as all eyes turn toward the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge. It's being called Samsung's slimmest phone ever, and even before the official release, it's already making headlines. But if you were expecting it to launch in April, you might need to wait just a little longer. Recent reports confirm that Samsung has decided to delay the launch of the Galaxy S25 Edge. Originally planned for April 2025, the new timeline now points to May. According to a source from F News, Samsung is preparing for a Galaxy Unpacked event on May 13, where it's expected to reveal a full list of features, available colors, and pricing for the Galaxy S25 Edge. Pre-orders are expected to open the very next day, on May 14, and stay open until May 20. If things go according to plan, the phone will first hit shelves in South Korea and China on May 23, followed by a US release on May 30. Other global markets will get it afterward. So what's so special about this device? Well, for starters, it's designed to be incredibly thin. The Galaxy S25 Edge is said to be between 5.8 millimeters and 6.4 millimeters thick, which makes it much slimmer than most phones currently on the market. For comparison, many flagship phones today are usually around 7 to 8 millimeters thick. This move toward a sleeker profile isn't just about looks. Many users prefer phones that feel light and are easy to handle, especially for daily use. But there's a trade-off. In order to make the phone this slim, Samsung reportedly had to leave out the telephoto camera, which might be disappointing for users who rely on zoom features for photography. Still, Samsung seems to have made up for it by including a 200 megapixels main camera. That alone is a strong selling point for people who want sharp, detailed photos without needing extra lenses. The design isn't the only thing grabbing attention. The price is also part of the conversation. Based on leaks, the 256 gigabytes version of the Galaxy S25 Edge is expected to cost around 1.5 million Korean won, which converts to approximately 1,049 US dollars. The higher-end 512 gigabytes model could be priced at 1.63 million Korean won, or roughly 1,140 US dollars. While that puts it in the premium smartphone range, it's still slightly less expensive than some other top-tier models from Samsung or Apple. Interestingly, this isn't the first time people got a glimpse of the Galaxy S25 Edge. It actually made its first appearance in January 2025 during Samsung's earlier Galaxy Unpacked event, where it was briefly showcased alongside the Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, and S25 Ultra. However, at that time, Samsung didn't reveal much about it. Now that we're closer to the official launch, the picture is becoming a lot clearer. Samsung's decision to focus on thin design seems to reflect changing user preferences. More and more people are looking for phones that are not just powerful, but also lighter and easier to carry. This shift in design may help Samsung stand out in a market where many phones tend to look and feel the same. By removing the telephoto lens and going all in on a slimmer body and high-resolution main camera, Samsung seems to be betting big on form and function. Now the real question is, will users be okay with losing the zoom lens in exchange for a phone that feels incredibly slim and stylish? Only time will tell, but early buzz suggests that many people are already excited to try it out. If you're curious about the Galaxy S25 Edge and want to stay updated as more details come out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel.